I'm about to go to the pond right now. It is Friday, and it's the actual Friday where it's like an actual Friday. I don't have to go to a football game or something. But I'm about to go fishing. I'm going to be doing finesse fishing. When I get to the pond, I'll show you what I'm using. Dustin might come. I don't know. He might be going somewhere. We don't know yet. It depends on if it rains or not, because right now it's looking like it's going to rain, and it's getting windy. It's getting chilly. Tomorrow there's supposed to be a huge cold front, like supposedly there is. I don't know if it's true or not, but we'll see. I will get back to you when I get to the pond. There we go. First fish of the day, finally, off this little tiny worm. Wasn't even paying attention and he took it. There we go. An okay sized fish compared to what I have been getting lately. Pretty colors. Got a good sized stomach to him. Pretty beefy. I like him. I'm releasing now. That's a fish. And I got a fish right in. Ah, no. Dude. How the heck did I break off? Like, literally, how? Looks like it snapped off on one of the knots. Okay, so basically there was a knot in my line. I don't know if you can see that, but apparently there's another one of those knots I didn't notice, and that fish was pulled just hard enough to tear it off. So I gotta go home real quickly and retie. Okay, I'm here. I'm back, I guess. For retying my drop shot, I'm back. Ready to catch a few more fish and go home and do something. There we go. It's a little dink. Ooh, that's a dink. The only thing I have against these drop shot is that the dinks. That is a small fish. Tiny little fish. Calm down. There he goes. Looky there. Okay. Okay, so as those birds decided to hit me, a fish decided to take my bait. Oh, that fish. That is a freaking ton of birds. Okay, size fish. For the fall time at least. Right as all those birds over there decide to come at me. Okay, the only problem is that he flicked my bait off, and this is probably going to be fish and birds. There's another one. Oh, is this one good? Getting some pretty good fall time bass now. These are some okay fall bass. This thing is ready to go too. Ooh, yep, there it goes. growing. I didn't think lily pads could grow in this pond. It was sure enough for lily pads. There you go. This fish is a little bit bigger. Oh gosh. Come on. There we go. That was a good size one. That just barely didn't swallow it. I'm talking about like the bait is right there. He just barely didn't swallow it. Basically, I can't get the hook out. I don't have a pair of pliers, so I'm just gonna stick my knife. I'm gonna hold the line. I don't know if you can see, and I'm gonna stick my knife right there. And there we go. And you see, it's out. Old technique for you. If you ever can't get the line out, just get your good old butterfly knife and just do that. Just pop it out like that. Okay, here we go. That's a pretty fish. That's a good sized fish. I'm okay with that fish. Throw him back in. That was a fish. That was a fish. Is he still on? Yep. Yep, it's another fish. Another fish. This one's pretty. This one got hooked right in the top right there. Well, that one came out super easy. Thank goodness. Okay, another fish. Pretty good fish. I like him. He's okay. I'll throw him back in. Okay. My bait's still here at least. There we go. Another one. I swear I'm just hammering them left and right. See, what happened is I've been telling Dustin, I've been catching them, that there's a big old pack in this pond. And Dustin believes me. Just I haven't been able to find it. There we go. Good fish. Throw him back now. Calm down. This fish wants to go. He got off right there. Are you looking at the technique I was using?
I can listen to English and Chinese.
Cool. Okay. Well, looks like I'm done fishing because that fish took my drop weight, so I'm done fishing. I don't know how he took it. Looks like the knot gave is what it looks like by judging by the line. But yeah, it looks like I'm done fishing. Hope you liked today's video. I'm going to call it bass and birds fishing video, I guess, or just bass and birds. But yeah, it was good. I have to admit. Yeah, this is DKbass, Southward Bass, and signing out.